These are instructions how to replace the license plate bulbs on a 2004 Buick Century. Instead of just being able to pull these little covers off, you have to use a deep socket 10 millimeter. That's 10 millimeter deep socket, and there are these little studs underneath. There's 7 of them, and you have to undo all 7. You have to undo all 7 of them to get to the bulbs. And the weird part is this whole assembly pops out, and you can get to the bulbs behind the assembly to replace it. This is what the unit looks like when you pop it out, and the bulbs are easy to access in. You just have to unscrew slightly that, bulb pulls straight out, push it straight in, put it back together, slap that back in, and tighten the 7 nuts up, and you're done.